We are continuing our installs here in Minnesota. We just wrapped up this beautiful 23 Indian Challenger 4-speaker with the first customer's lid cutting kit. Me right, this customer got the very first lid cutting kit outside of me. So what we did here, this is our tried and true 4-speaker audio package. It's the same one we sell on our website. So again, if you've not heard, all the equipment in the fairing, 804 Sound Digital Evo PS, Arc Audio PSM Pro right here, Davidson audio harnesses, preamp harness, everything is in the fairing. Power ground down to the battery, wiring harnesses down the backbone to the saddlebag, and then he's got the very first, he is the first customer with the Precision Power lid cutting kit on here. I'll let the boys at Ride Culture put it in. Came out really well. Ooh, he packs heavy. So he's got his snacks. He took them from Bill, but he's got some snacks here. Got our speakers, lid cutting kit here. Nice fit and finish, like I said. Very, very, very nice fit and finish. And we can check the other side, which, oh, he covered all the snacks. So the snacks are covered, but let's see. OEM's tether still, nice and neat install. If he wasn't paying attention, those rice cake treats, that would have been gone, because I love those things. But let's give you all an audio demo. Let's see what he thinks, was him and his wife are ready to ride and get out of here. She rides the Scout, so we're trying to convince her to buy a Chieftain so we can do that as well, but she's on the verge. So let's listen to this and then get you all on the road.
I've been outside really reading up. Back in the day, never read a book, but them red letters in my dead heart, and I came to life and I changed up. Now they wanna know. Tell me who this stranger is. Dead man, don't wake up. I ain't going through bases. This right here, the new way to face it. Came through on the wrong side, but the Holy Ghost brought us back. Woke up with a new heart, my new purpose. Tell me who's this stranger. Tell me who's this stranger. Dead man, don't wake up. So tell me who's this stranger. Came through on the wrong side, but the Holy Ghost brought us back. Woke up with a new heart, my new purpose. Follow the man, I saw in the mirror, no sign of a heart, invisible tears. Then I met a saint who walked in the red, he opened the word, he told me if you don't encounter hope, I promise the future look dark.
The customer is here picking up his beautiful 23 Challenger. Like I said, he is the first customer to get a Precision Power lid cutting kit. We just happened to get one in, like we weren't sure we were going to do it, and we just happened to get one in. So he is the very first one to get one installed. Obviously, we had ours for product development, but we want to ask him what his thoughts were with dealing with Ride Culture. Is Ride Culture, Riding Fish are our new installers for us up here in the Minneapolis area. See what his thoughts were dealing with them and what his thoughts on the system are itself.
It was amazing. Came in this morning and it's 3 o'clock, we're on the way out already. And sounds amazing. Excited.
Perfect, perfect. So, like I said, I mean, what were your thoughts on the lid cutting kit? You guys happy with those?
Yeah, looks great. They seem solid, and it's gonna do well.
Perfect. Well, we're gonna let them get out of here. So you're satisfied with the system then?
Very.
Perfect. I appreciate it as always. I'm Brandon with Davidson Audio. If y'all are looking for the best aftermarket audio solution for your Indian, Harley, motorcycle period, make sure you check us out. God bless all of you guys, and until the next one.